Every year, Sekolah Pelita Harapan holds summer programs to enhance children's learning during their summer holiday break. SPH Lippo Village Summer Program was open to 2 different age groups this year: summer school for kindergarten to elementary school students, and summer workshops for junior high to high school students. This year we had more than 380 students from different schools, with 55 instructors and 35 teacher assistants.
I think that summer holiday is really long, and sometimes students go for summer holiday, and when they come back to school they have lost their breaker from the school year. So I think summer program is good because it's enriching, but it's also fun. It's a good time for them to learn new things, but also enjoy their summer instead of just staying around at home.
Through these scientific methods, the students hopefully will be able to think logically, critically, and make conclusions based on what they observe in the experiments.
We have a variety of classes with great diversity. From science exploration to Korean cooking, from robotics to jewelry making, children could choose different classes according to their interest.
The student response has been really great actually, and I'm quite amazed with what they can do. Some of them actually, they go beyond my expectation, and I think I can see like a very good development in their future. And also for some of the students, they learn about the basic problem solving skills, and I can see that how they actually pour their creativity in their design and the game itself.
I think this program is really good because maybe some of my friends, maybe some students wants to be a game developer in the future, and also they can learn how to start off creating games and how to like understand the AI here by taking this course.
I also think that summer school is extremely fun, but my favorite is basketball because I just love sport.
They can be very enthusiastic also for learning the concepts like basic physics, basic electronics, and stuff like that.
Well, the summer program is really great. Every day they have different kind of activities involved, and they also have outdoors activities, and I think our son is having fun.
We see the difference now.
Yeah, we see the difference.
Because he's always been at home, and in the beginning I was reluctant to let him go in summer, but it was good actually, and I'm glad.
Yeah.
I'm glad that we have this type of program.
Next year, definitely invite your friends to join this summer program because you get to learn a lot, at the same time have a lot of fun.
The students and their parents felt amazing benefits from the classes. The programs prepared the students with refined skills and knowledge so they can start the new school year fresh. See you at next year's summer programs.